With 30 years of rich professional experience in mines and minerals, Mr. Anupam Bagchi is heading the EHS department of 30 Hindalco mines. With a continuous focus on safety, he strives hard to uplift the lockout-tagout standards in the mining sector. And today, E Square declares him as a Lotto hero for his untiring efforts to save lives. Mr. Anupam Bagchi.
When we started this Lotto journey, that time Lotto concept was very new in mining industry. So there are a lot of doubts and resistance, bad habits, but mainly two things that were very resisting that time. One is the knowledge deficiency. There are some myths like it will delay the process, and Lotto is only applicable for electrical energy, not for any other. So we don't have much bigger electrical setup, so we don't need that. This type of myths were there. And also another thing was the peer pressure. Whether our neighboring mines is following the Lotto, implementing the Lotto. I think it is very much important. If you see the recent accident statistics in mining industry, this hazardous energy contribute major part of the accidents. Even machines are very complex now, so there are multiple hazardous energy on the same machine. So Lotto is very much important for mining industry nowadays. Generally, the electrical power in open cast mines, we use higher power than underground mines. But the challenges are more in underground mines because of the special characteristics of underground mines. And it is unlikely of any other industry. In any other industry, you will not find these challenges. There are multiple subsystems in underground mines. Number of pumps are more, number of fans, number of drill machines, number of other machines. So number of transwitch, ACVs, starters. So there are many subsystems in underground mines. Then the visibility problem. You cannot see what people are doing there. Humid air condition, environment condition, very humid environment condition, then wet flow. And another thing is that this make this Lotto for underground mines is very important, that you cannot make earth in underground. You have to carry that earth where the surface to make it earth. DGMS don't permit you to make the earth underground, because if there is any flash, it may create the explosion. That's required the Lotto to 100% implementation in underground mine, but it is very challenging. We know only what we know. We don't know what we don't know. So if anybody don't teach us beyond our knowledge what we don't know, then we cannot. And training is for that part. That what we don't know, we must be taught. Eventually, this is because as we are not so mature in Lotto application, so their constant guidance, training to our people helps them to be focused in this Lotto implementation. So that is a great part from E Square, not only supplying the Lotto equipment, but also constantly giving guidance and training to our people. I would like to request my fellow mining engineers and E&M engineers, please don't neglect any hazardous energy, not only electricity. So do study all the equipment for the hazardous energy, identify them, find out the locking point, and eventually make the SOP. Implement those SOP. Your safety as far as hazardous energy is concerned is guaranteed. We will be at that position that we can serve nearby mines to teach them how to implement LOTO and the advantage from this LOTO system. We will be the leader in that. We make people smarter, stronger, and happier.